How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So I'm gonna go over a quick daily portfolio update on my Robinhood portfolio. As you see, today was a pretty boring day for the week. Basically breaking even from the highs. We were up to almost 38,000 at one point, and we're back down to 35,000. So almost $30,000 uh, up and down swing throughout the week. Doesn't really bother me at all. And right now, the thing that I'm really interested in is in Nio. I believe Nio could easily in the next couple of years be a $300 plus stock. I think by 2025, Nio could easily be anywhere from $200 to $300 by 2025. So a couple of years from now, this stock could potentially 8x your money easily, 7 to 8x your money. And that's just my guess. Where the prices are from right here, it can easily 7 to 8x your money. So right now, Neo is my biggest position. You see, equity in total equity, I have 22,350. And the next one that I have is Tilray 6,367. This is basically my cannabis play. I really don't think I'm gonna be adding too much. I'll probably get Tilray to about 500 shares, but then I'll leave it off at that. I think the max I'll put in of my own money would be 10,000. But even then, I don't think I'll probably buy that much more of Tilray for the long term. I think the prices that I got in was in what is it? I have totally forgot even the freaking company that I bought. Afria, yeah, Afria was the one that I got. Afria was the stock that I got. You can't even see it. I believe I got Afria. I got into Afria like at $7. Five. I started buying it at $2, all the way to about 11, 12, and my average cost was about low sevens. And then when the merger happened, I think Afria was at like $21 at one point. So I really don't know how much I'm actually up. I know I'm way up more than double or maybe even triple my money on this one. So, and I plan on holding this one for a very, very long time. At least a couple of years into the legalization of the United States. So they haven't even legalized cannabis in the United States federally. So once they do that, I believe the stock could easily go back up to at least these levels of $60. And I mean, if it happens, this is what happened when Canada legalized it. So if the United States is way bigger than Canada, I believe that if this is what happened when it did in Canada, the United States, it might go even further than this. But that's just logic, and sometimes that's not how the stock market works. But even if it did do that, then it would easily 10 times where it is right now. And maybe in the super long term that's gonna happen, but most likely, unless Tilray goes down to lower than it did right here, if it goes under to below $14, I will not buy anything with Tilray. I'll leave it alone. I think this is just a hold for me. Shopify, one of those companies I believe can be a $1 trillion market cap. I tell you guys this all the time. My price targets for Shopify for the super long term, I think this company could easily become a $1 trillion market cap. Easily. Easily. This one's going to be right there with Amazon, I believe. And it's already making its move up. Can it get to $1,500 by the end of the year? Maybe. And, oh, yeah, and the price target that I have for Nio, my price target for Nio by the end of the year, I really believe this stock could hit $70 by the end of the year. I think it can break all-time highs by the end of the year. Originally, without the chip shortage and everything, I think this stock could have been anywhere from 80 to $100. I even set up to max $120 because I think this company could have done easily 100,000 deliveries, but since the chip shortage, they're limited to under 7,000, and that's what they've been doing: 6,000, 6,500, 6,700. And then without the chip shortage, they could do 10,000. So they could have done 120K or anywhere close to 100,000. And now I believe that they could probably do around 85K deliveries. And then next year, I think they can easily maybe do 200, maybe double up, hopefully, without any issues. But there's always going to be issues somewhere, and you got to be prepared for that. But then with that, with what's been going on, we had a nice opportunity to buy in the past couple months, getting prices under $40. I think this is Neo is a good buy under $50. And if you're in it for the super duper long term, maybe up to $70. But then after that, I think that's pushing it, because after $70, I believe you can get 3 times your money in the next 5 years, which is pretty good. But then after that, I think if you were to buy up to $100 and you're just doubling your money in the next 5 years, I don't think that's very well. I think we're trying to get a higher growth rate. So I think if you haven't gotten your position in, I think 50 under $50 is awesome. If you can get as many shares as possible under $50. If I had more money, I would love to get 1,000 shares from 500 more, double my position up. But I'm not making that much money, so I have to start grinding on the YouTube, posting more. Tattooed Chef, same thing. I think Tattooed Chef under $25 is good. I think Tattooed Chef could be $100 stock in the long term, super long term. And I'm a long term investor, guys. I'm not trying to do no trades or anything. I like buying stuff, leaving it alone, risk free, helps me sleep at night. All right. But for the long term, I think Neo has probably the biggest potential of all these. Shopify is right there. I think Tattooed Chef can 4x. Corsair can be the next Logitech. I think this one can easily 5 to 7x. Corsair can. MP, I think will ride as long as the EVs dominate, and they will. Tesla can probably get back to all-time highs by the end of the year. And you seen that PE ratio was at 1,200, now it's at 599. So the more it's getting more profitable, the PE is gonna go down. You're gonna see this one go up. Look at what happened with Amazon. Amazon used to be such a high PE, and now it's under $70. Amazon, where it's always been trading at such a high PE. Same thing with Shopify. Shopify was always trading at such a high PE, and now it's going down because they're making bank. They are making money fast. And another one that I really want to get into is Ethereum. I want to get Ethereum to my second biggest position. My total equity is 4,760. I would love to get another few more coins by the end of the year. But I don't know, man. I think it's a good time to buy right now, but I just don't have money. If you can buy anything right now, you could be buying. It's about, how low is it from the top? Let's see. It's down 43%, so let's see from right here to right here. Let's see. Right there. You can get 70% on your money if it just goes back up to where it was before. I would love to get a couple coins. I think Ethereum is going to be one of those cryptos that goes crazy the next couple of years. So I would love to get a couple more coins of Ethereum, Ultimate Gold, 10 coins. So let's just see how long this stays around this level, or maybe it will go down even more. If it goes down even more, depending on how low it goes, I'm going to have to spend some money. I think if it goes down to $1,500, I would have to deposit some money to buy at least one more. Get my average cost down. I think Ethereum's going to be huge. Very big. Very, very big. Yeah. Man, other than that, Jumia, I'm not planning on buying any more Jumia. Dropbox is, I think, way above where I wanted it to buy. I think I'm done with Dropbox. I'm just going to let it ride alone, leave it alone. Other than that, I'm not afraid of buying Tesla more. I'm not afraid of buying MP Corsair. Nope. Tattooed Chef. Nope. Any of these. I think I'm done buying Jumia stock, at least for right now, temporarily. Dropbox for sure I'm not buying unless it drops down a lot of drops down very fast. I'm not afraid of, and I'm actually I am done buying Tilray unless it goes down to a certain point. So Tilray, Dropbox, and Jumia, I'm officially basically done buying unless Jumia turns around and starts making some money. before I expect them to, which I expect them to start buying, start making good money and revenue and everything by 2024, 2025. At least that's what many analysts predict. And I mean, they're the experts, right? Dropbox, unless the Dropbox goes down to $24, I'm not buying it. And Tilray, unless it goes down to $14, under 14, I'm not buying it. Other than that, I'm basically, I'll buy any of these if it go down a little bit, and then I have like the money to do so. Especially Ethereum. I think Ethereum right now is the best buy. You can get the best bang for your buck right now with Ethereum, since this one's been going down. Almost all of these babies been going up the past month. Nio up. How much is Nio up in the past month? 34%. It's already up in the past 29%. Shopify up in 26%. Like, come on. Look at this. Look at this. Tattooed Chef. How much is this up in the past month? 20%. Corsair past month, 6%. MP, 29%. Tesla, up a little bit, 4%. Dropbox, 16%. Jumia, even Jumia's up 10%. Look at that. Look at that. And Ethereum in the past month, down 8%. This is the only one that's down. So I think right now Ethereum is a good buy. And you guys already know I'm interested in. I'm interested in CCIV. I'm interested in Coinbase. I'm interested in, let's see what else, Palantir. Those three right there, I am very, very interested in.